There's a widespread ad campaign going on right now that is using some sort of automatic installer to get an application called Breaking News Brief installed on your device. So I wanted to take a moment to warn everyone about this and advise that you uninstall it right now if you notice that it's on your smartphone or tablet and you have not installed it yourself. I was first made aware of this via a post on the Android subreddit today and thought that it would be a great idea to share this information. While this post mentions a specific app installed on their device, it looks like the developers are using some loophole to spread through ad networks in general. So even if you don't have the ad mentioned in this post installed on your device, then you could still have the Breaking News Brief app installed without your consent. So if you have any application or game that displays ads, then you could have viewed this ad campaign and had this app installed on your device in the background. You can either visit the app page in the Google Play Store to see if there is an uninstall option that will indicate that the application is currently on your device. Or you could browse through the home screen, your application drawer, or even going into the settings application and then diving into the apps section so that you can see all of the applications installed to find out if you see the Breaking News Brief app or its icon listed here. It seems this application is being installed in the background when the user tries to exit out of the ad that is being displayed. And instead of closing out of the ad, I'm seeing reports of people mention that a separate window is opened that triggers the installation of the app. Along with that post on Reddit, we can see that many one-star reviews are being published on the app page due to it appearing on devices without the user actually trying to install it. And this isn't the only way the application is appearing on devices either. It seems that they have paid Verizon to install the bloatware onto smartphones and tablets via the Verizon App Manager software. And I've seen this type of application in many forms and from many wireless carriers throughout the years. I have previously created content about the application called Ignite Solutions from a company named Digital Turbine, installing these types of bloatware apps in the background on consumer devices in the past. It looks like the app is called AT&T Essentials now, but I suspect that it does the same thing it did before, just with a different name since they have tarnished the reputation in the past. Now I know I did a video about spyware being installed on Android devices last week, but it is important for everyone with a smartphone to know all of the apps that are on their device. We tend to keep a lot of personal data on these things, and having a malicious app on there can upload that data to their servers. Not only that, but these apps tend to be poorly coded, which leads to hackers being able to exploit them and install even worse malware. These apps tend to constantly run in the background, which can cause your device to overheat. It can chew through the battery and ruin the performance of your smartphone or tablet because it's constantly using the CPU to complete those tasks. So again, I recommend you go and check all of the apps that you have installed on your device and make sure there isn't anything suspicious to be found. If you're curious about an application that you find, or you just aren't sure about what it does, then know that you can leave a comment down below this video and ask about it. I can't promise that I'll know what every application does off the top of my head, but I can certainly help and do a bit of research in an attempt to let you understand what is on your smartphone or tablet.